I'm gonna show you how to remove your background on your pictures. It's pretty easy to do. You don't need any software. You see this has a white background, and I just copied two of these. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna click on it, go to format, go to remove background. You see the purple. That purple is what's gonna be removed. So I'm gonna mark some areas where I wanna keep. As you can see, I'm highlighting these areas right here that I wanna keep. Also on this welding, I wanna keep that. You could draw lines in it, identify other things you wanna keep, as you can see. And this is in PowerPoint. So you don't need no special software or anything. And you see this white area, I want to add that back in. Okay, once you finish, you want to click on Keep Changes. As you can see, the background has been removed. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to go to my Spreadshirt. It's where you create t-shirts, cups, and other things. And you see I right-clicked on that. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to call it Egg with no background. So I took the background off. I'm gonna save it. And I'm gonna go to this one, I'm gonna right click. And this one has a background in it. So I'm gonna put with background. I forgot to take the no off, but I'm gonna just show you how this works. I'm gonna design something here. You notice that I uploaded the one with the background. So I'm gonna put this on a cup. You see, I'm gonna pick the cup here. And you see how that white on the background, that don't look good. So I'm gonna show you the one that I took the background away from. So now I'm gonna go and upload the one without the background. So you just upload. And I'm gonna pick the one without the background. Okay, you see it right here. You don't have the background. So I'm gonna add it to the cup like I did the other one. And as you can see, the background is gone. So you don't need any special software to do this. You just need PowerPoint. That's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you.